Hello dear students, good morning. This is Sunil sir. In this video, we will discuss about the first chapter of geography, resource and development. Dear students, first of all, we will know about resource. What is resource? What is resource? The things which satisfy our needs. Easily available in environment, that is resource. Technological accessible, economically feasible, and the fifth point is cultural acceptable. These are the resources. In the reference of resources, human beings are very important. Human being is also important part of resource as they transform material available in environment into useful resources. So human beings are very important. Okay dear students, I think you have understand about the resource. Now we will know about the classification of resources. So first of all, we will discuss about on the basis of origin. And on the basis of origin, there are two kinds of resources: biotic resources, abiotic resources. Let's discuss about biotic resources. What is biotic resources? Obtained from biospheres. It obtains from biospheres and it also have a life. For examples, flora, fauna, fishes, cattle, human beings, etc. These are the biotic resources. And now we will discuss about the abiotic. Abiotic resources are composed of non-livings. For example, rocks and minerals. These are the abiotic. Okay, dear students, and the second classification on the basis of exhaustibility. There are two kinds of resources. First is renewable and the second is non-renewable. What is renewable and what is non-renewable? Renewable resources can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical process. For examples, solar energy and wind energy. These are the renewable sources. And what is non-renewable? It can't be renewed or reused, and if we will renew it, it takes millions of years to forms. For examples, minerals, fossil fuels, etc. These are the non-renewable resources. Dear students, we are reading classification of resources. Here we have seen two: on the basis of origin, on the basis of accessibility. And the next classification we will discuss in our next video. Thank you. That's all.